timeless stone, carrying truths he's come to know. Footsteps echo through the air, holding something pure and rare. Guidance shade from higher sight, ready now to share. It's a light coming down the mountainside, bringing wisdom far and wide, carrying a truth renewed, meant for hearts that long for truth. Every step a sacred call, every word meant for us all. From the mountain to the ground, a deeper voice is finally found. In the valley people wait, wondering what the winds create. Tablets carved in quiet flame, lessons born without